Welcome to Graph Data Extractor, where graphs come alive. Hi, I am Madhura and I am an undergraduate electrical and electronic engineering student at Tel Aviv University in Israel. Graph Data Extractor is a computer vision web application which I have built as a part of my summer internship. I interned with the company AKXA Tech under the guidance of Dr. Raghuraj Rao, CEO and founder. AKXA Tech is an IIT Madras incubated data analytics company which provides services to process plants. Sometimes they receive their data in the form of graph images and they want to convert it to data which can be used for further processing. My application does exactly that. And let me show you how. Let's start. Here we come to the main page of GDE where all the major operations and user interactions will take place. First, let me choose a file. Okay, great. As you can see, this graph has three trends and it is also overlapping in certain regions. Also, I would like to say that this supports the file formats like PNG, JPEG, PMP, SVG, among others. Now let me crop it. I crop the region of interest and then we head over to the common input region. Basically, these graphs represent the variation in process parameters over a certain duration, which we need to insert here. Let's say it's 1 hour for now. Then we get a message that the minimum sampling interval should be 4 seconds or its multiples. What that means is that one pixel in this cropped image represents 4 seconds and we cannot go below that. So we can choose any of its multiples in this bar. Let me choose 8 for now. We can choose spot or average as method of sampling. Then here comes the tolerance bar. I have talked about it in my blog and I've linked it in the description below, so please go check it out after this video. And here we come to the coolest feature of GDE, which is trend wall. All the user needs to do is to click on pick color and then fill in the relevant information. As the user hovers the mouse over this canvas, the trend circle is updated dynamically at which the cursor is pointing. Once the user is sure of this color, he can just right click it and select it and then fill in the other details. I'm doing it again. Also, as you can see, I'll zoom in, and then pick a color and zoom out again. Sometimes this is more convenient. Okay, great. Now we have filled in all the inputs. The trend wall is ready to go. Let's check out the results. And it's so fast, isn't it? And here the graph has come alive. Great. So once you hover the mouse over this graph, it literally tells you its value at each point. It is as if the graph is talking to you. Isn't that amazing? And this is for the comparison and to check the data accuracy, which I think is pretty great. And then there are other cool features like you can hide one of the trends and check out the other two. Also, I would like to say that wherever it was overlapping, this data is still coming out perfectly. Then you can download this plot and play around with a couple of other features. In the end, the user can download the CSV file and all the data is perfectly recorded here. So great, that's it for my demo. If you would like to check out the technology stack, the development, and the other things which I experienced in this journey of building this application, please check out my blog. It's in the link in the description below. And also do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Have a great day.